Hello everyone, Speckles here is Futaba Sakura from Persona 5. I'm here with Morgana and we're at the beach today. I'm going to be helping host a Cosplay Beach Day event today. Hopefully it will not rain as bad as the weather prediction said it was going to rain, so we will see. I am very excited for today. I am super ready to take some photos down by the lovely trees over there and the ocean too. It's the morning right now, so the sun is like in an awkward position, but I'm definitely gonna start taking some photos soon, and I am super duper pumped to go in the water today. Hopefully it is not too cold because I do not want to be freezing. But yeah, I'm super duper excited. Let's go Cosplay Beach Day 2018. I hope you guys enjoy my video. I'm probably gonna dip around the beach. I might record a few more times, so I hope you enjoy my adventures on the beach. But yeah, Mona, are you ready to go? Yeah, let's go, Joker. Alright, see you guys. Yo, Mona, you ready to hit up the beach? We gotta change some hearts today. Gotta fight those shadows. He's my good boy. Such a good boy. Look at my good boy. He's so good. You excited for the beach day today, Mona? Yeah.
I make meatloaf on Mondays now. It's like, do the face. Do the face. Yeah. No, the one I'm doing right now. Can I go now?